In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove sound from a video in CapCut. So if you want to go and mute the sound or just get rid of the audio track altogether, then we can do this directly in the CapCut app itself. Now first, just go and select the video that you want to extract the audio from. Once you're in your project, you can select the video clip like so. In the bottom navigation, scroll all the way across, and from here, select volume. Now the first thing you can do to get rid of the audio is just to simply mute the track. Now you can do this by reducing the volume slider all the way down to 0, and then just going and pressing the tick icon, and just like that, it's going to stop the audio from playing. Now another way to do this is once again make sure the video track's selected, scroll all the way down on the bottom navigation, and then click on extract audio. Now this is going to separate both your video and audio track. So now what you can do is click on the audio track and then just go and press delete right at the bottom. And just like that, we have now deleted the audio track from our video. And of course, now you can just click on export in the top right hand side, and this video is going to save to your camera roll. And it's really as simple as that. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.